Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Inspect the hammer for tight head and solid handle because a failing tool becomes a hazard. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection so debris won't injure you. Next, locate immediate targets, nails to remove, shards to clear, or debris to break. Then strike controlled blows with the face, not the edge. Make sure to brace the workpiece. Short, deliberate strikes keep control and conserve energy while you transition into larger debris removal. Once you've cleared immediate hazards, move to the complex middle steps where technique matters. Use the claw to pry boards by levering from a 1/2-inch gap and protect surfaces with scrap wood to spread force. For breaking concrete or plaster, place the hammer near a natural seam and deliver controlled, angled blows to avoid ricochet. Make sure to combine the hammer with a pry bar, rope, or tarp to stabilize debris and create temporary shoring as you clear an exit or access point. To finish, you tidy hazards and secure the area. Use the hammer to flatten jagged metal or to seat nails flush, then cover exposed rebar with scrap wood. Once done, re-inspect the tool, tighten or replace a loose head, and swap out a cracked handle so the hammer stays reliable. If a piece becomes stuck or jammed, don't force it. Stop, switch to leverage or cutting tools, or call for assistance. That one troubleshooting pause prevents injury and keeps your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.